Hi, this is George Smith from Bigger Byte to Bolder, and back by popular demand, we are once again running the Six Figure Fast Track. The Six Figure Fast Track is an event that has been designed from the ground up, specifically with you, the five-figure service business, in mind. So if you're a service focused or a service based business currently doing 10 or 20,000 and you want really rapid growth, you're going to want to get yourself down here. Equally, if you're currently running 50, 60, 70 or even 80,000 in revenue, but you can't quite get yourself over that elusive 100K mark in revenue, then you're going to want to get yourself down to that event and hear what we've got to say. This event is an absolute no bullshit zone, okay? That's my absolute guarantee to you. There's no bullshit, there's gonna be nothing superfluous, and I'm not gonna educate you on anything just for the purposes of educating you on something. We're gonna be talking about what you have to be doing in order to create six figures in your service business. We're also going to be talking about what you shouldn't be doing. There's so much information and education out there for the small business owner. It's very hard to be discerning about what is it I should be doing or shouldn't be doing, or what I should be listening to and what I shouldn't be listening to. Much of the information that you're hearing is generic information. It's information that is relevant but might not be specifically relevant to where you are in your business right now, running five figures. If you read a great business book, they're not talking to 20, 30, 40, 50, 60,000 pound businesses. They're talking to those businesses and startups, and they're potentially talking to £1,000,000 businesses or even multi-million pound businesses. The truth of the matter is you need to know what it is you need to know now so that you can get yourself to this number, because from here, some really good shit starts to happen. If you're looking for a lifestyle out of your business, I'm telling you now, 100K is a magic number that isn't magic, where your life starts to really take off. If you want to grow a £1,000,000 empire, you need to get to 100K first, and it's a very different strategy to get to 100K than it is to get to £1,000,000. In fact, if you start trying to run £1,000,000 strategy when you're running a 50K business, it's actually going to bog you down and slow you down. It's actually going to start to hinder your growth. I want to set you free. I want to get you on the fast track. I want you to become financially successful in your business. And there's certain things you definitely need to be doing in order to do that. We're going to be looking at mindset, we're going to be looking at strategy, and we're going to be looking at execution. These are the three things that anyone who's talking about growth or personal development or anything needs to be talking about. You need to have the right attitude in order to become financially successful. You definitely need the right strategy. You need to know what it is you should be doing in order to get the result you're looking to get. And third, you need to execute against that, and you need to execute hard, and you need to execute well. A lot of that links back to our attitude. So we're going to be covering all three aspects of what it's going to take to get you and your business over the 100K line. From there, it's all open for you. You can start to grow your business, multiple six figures, even seven figures. If you want a lifestyle, you can start generating a really good lifestyle from that place. I'm here to really help small business owners start to become financially successful, because I see so many businesses that are starving of cash. People really struggling. Great services, great products, great people, and they're really struggling to make a go of their business, and they're unnecessarily struggling. So let's cut through all the bullshit. Let's look at what you need specifically as a five-figure service-based business to get yourself over 100K in the next 12 months or less. I look forward to seeing you there. And until then, as always, be successful.